How to verify your ID on Roblox. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify your ID on Roblox. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. In order to verify your ID on Roblox, first you want to open up Roblox and you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is you want to tap on the more option at the bottom right corner of your screen and then head into settings. If you scroll down, you'll find the settings. Under settings, you want to head into account info. Now under account info, what you want to do is you want to scroll down and head into the option that shows your age, and you want to tap on verify my age. Once you tap on verify my age, it'll show you identity verification. Verify your age to get the most out of Roblox. For this, now you'll have to prepare a valid ID, that is either a driver's license, passport, ID card, residence permit, and you'll need to have a smartphone. You want to scan the QR code with your camera app to begin and go ahead through the process of verifying your ID. So this way you can verify your ID on Roblox. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.